Join me this fall for a spectacular supernatural journey through legendary locations renowned for their paranormal activity, culminating in an extraordinary paranormal investigation at one of the world's most haunted locations. I'll be one of the featured keynote speakers on the 2025 Spirit Heart Cruise. This will be a conference at sea with spiritually transformative talks and paranormal presentations, workshops, lectures, and interactive sessions from a roster of speakers with backgrounds in the supernatural, psychic phenomena, shamanism, self-development, mediumship, healing practices, and more. One of the cruise's many highlights is a paranormal investigation at a historic location as seen on Ghost Adventures, Ghost Brothers, Scariest Places on Earth, Ghost Hunters International, and other programs, Rose Hall. This notorious property was home to the murderous White Witch, a 19th century plantation owner who killed 3 of her husbands while torturing and taking the lives of her many slaves. We'll also be visiting Nassau, Jamaica, a favorite port of more than 1,000 pirates from the 1700s, and reported to be haunted by one of its most infamous, Blackbeard. And yet another stop is a private island in Labadee, Haiti, which features 5 different stretches of beach and offers entertainment such as an alpine coaster, one of the largest ziplines over water, wave runners, canoes, water sports, and more, in addition to simply relaxing in a cabana overlooking the turquoise waters of the beach. This cruise through the Bahamas will take place aboard Royal Caribbean's floating paradise, Oasis of the Seas, one of the largest cruise ships in the world, which features world-class dining and Broadway-style shows and aerial acts and multiple theaters, an aqua park, and a myriad of pools, including a flow rider and the tallest slide on the sea, a zipline, ice skating, arcades, laser tag, mini golf, an escape room, karaoke, several dining, bar, and music options, and much, much more. I'll be giving a special presentation focusing on the paranormal and spirituality, in addition to readings, and will be on hand with Future Ghosts co-founder James Manda throughout the Rose Hall investigation for guidance and counsel. The ship departs Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and cruises from November 9th to November 15th, 2025. Rooms start at $1,245 with a payment plan offered, due by August 1st, 2025. This once-in-a-lifetime excursion offers so much and is bound to thrill the senses and the spirit. I hope you'll join me on this breathtaking adventure. Scan the special code for more information and booking, or visit thespiritchasers.com.